Alright, so on question 14, this is going to be a literal equation, and it's basically just asking you to find x's value. So we're going to rewrite this, and we're just going to solve for x. So over here, I'm going to subtract y from both sides. Rewrite everything. I'm going to get 180 minus y equals 2x, and divide everything by 2. When I divide everything by 2, I end up with 180 minus y divided by 2, and this is like the distributed property of 1/2. So first I'm going to go over to my answers and see if I match anything before I go any bit further. So here C and D are actually here to trick you. They want you to do 180 divided by 2 and not y divided by 2. But 180 minus y is all in the numerator, kind of like there's parentheses around everything. So C and D are actually both out for that reason. Subtraction is the operation here, so B is out, and A is the right answer. So since we have a number solved for x, here's a good way to check your answer. If we want to find x's value, let's just make up a value for y and then find x's value. So I'm just going to say when y is 2. So I'm going to find the point when y is 2, and that's 180 minus 2, which is 178 divided by 2. 178 divided by 2 is 89. So x is 89 when y is equal to 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up to my original, and I'm going to plug that in as well. I'm going to do 2 times 89, and then I'm going to add my 2 to it, and I should get 180. And if I do that right, then this is right. And if you plug in those numbers with any of these other options, it's not going to work. So that's how you know you're right.